class, Miss Groves here. I just wanted to check in and see how you guys were doing. I miss you so much. So one of the things that I've been doing while we have been out of school is baking. I love to bake and I love to cook. And so this morning I thought I'm gonna make some pancakes. So I wanted to show you a how-to on how to make pancakes. I hope you enjoy. This is How to Cook Pancakes by Miss Groves. First, you want to gather all your ingredients. Your dry ingredients go in first, and then your wet ingredients. Next, you mix them all together. You want to make sure you get rid of all the lumps. Then you scoop out your batter and you put it on a hot pan. Make sure you flip those pancakes. You want them to be golden brown, like this. Last, you put them on a platter and you serve them to your family. So, what do you like to do while you're out on break? Send me a picture of some of the things you've been doing, or write some sentences to tell me about what you've been doing and send them to me on Seesaw. I would love to see what you've been up to and see your wonderful smiling faces. Miss you all.